Díomh agus fáilte arás go dtí Irish language teacher is Misha Breach, and today I'm going to teach you the numbers. I'm going to teach you how to count to 12, and then we're going to add in the words for o'clock. So you're going to be able to tell the time, whether it's morning or evening, on the hour by saying it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 o'clock. So this is going to be based on the little phrase card which is up on Facebook, and it's the little purple section up here on the right hand side. Now this little section only goes through the numbers 1 to 10 and also the phrase on how to say it is and o'clock. So I will be adding in the two extra numbers that for some reason didn't make it into this little box for 11 and 12. So let's start with that. So 1, a hen. 2, a doe. 3, a tree. 4, a cathair. 5, a cúig. 6, a sé. 7, a seacht. 8, a hocht. 9, a ní. 10, a de. 11, a haon déag. 12, a dó dhéag. So I'll just go through those numbers again, 1 to 12. A haon, a dó, a trí, a cathair, a cúig, a sé, a seacht, a hocht, a ní, a de, a haon déag, a dó dhéag. Now, how we say it is: tá sé, tá sé. And how we say o'clock is a chlog, a chlog. So you might hear that little ch sound in there. It's quite subtle, but it is there. So a chlog. Okay, so maybe just see how you get on with that, and you can say a clog until you get used to it, and then maybe try for the a chlog. Okay, so tá sé, it is a haon a chlog, 1 o'clock. Tá sé a dó a chlog. Tá sé a trí a chlog. Tá sé a cathair a chlog. Tá sé a cúig a chlog. Tá sé a sé a chlog. Tá sé a seacht a chlog. Tá sé a hocht a chlog. Tá sé a ní a chlog. Tá sé a de a chlog. Tá sé a haon déag a chlog. Tá sé a dó dhéag a chlog. So that will tell you how to tell the time now on the hour for the o'clock. Now, if you want to say it is only 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I'm going to teach you how to say it is only. Now again, it's not on the little purple box on the phrase card, but this is the little extra bit I'll throw in. So it is only. We say níl sé ach. It is only. Níl sé ach. So let's try that. Níl sé ach a haon a chlog. It is only 1 o'clock. Níl sé ach a dó a chlog. Níl sé ach a trí a chlog. Níl sé ach a cathair a chlog. Níl sé ach a cúig a chlog. Níl sé ach a sé a chlog. Níl sé ach a seacht a chlog. Níl sé ach a hocht a chlog. Níl sé ach a ní a chlog. Níl sé ach a de a chlog. Níl sé ach a haon déag a chlog. Níl sé ach a dó dhéag a chlog. Okay, so that'll get you started, and hopefully you'll have fun with that now, telling the time when it's on the hour for it is or it is only, whatever hour of the clock it might be. Okay, so sin é, that's it. See you soon. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.